Hey everybody, Texas Stroker here, Lance's Performance Shop, LoneStarMopars.com. I will probably live to regret starting this, but we are going to attempt to showcase Dark Gray Friday number 3. This is Dark Gray Friday 1 and 2 essentially combined here, give you some eye candy in the backdrop, but this one, I got to looking at it and I thought, you know, it might actually go fast. I will tell you right now, anytime you place an order with KC Tool, you get a bit of thanks. Currently shipping a number 2 from VIT. If you exceed the $100 mark, which, spoiler alert, we did, you're going to get, something else is going to fall, a German Tool sticker pack. 75 bucks or more is going to get you free freight, but I'm hoping I can make good time through this. So I think the prices I wrote down are retail, not reflective of the Dark Gray Friday deals. Again, what I want to know from you is, what did you buy? What did you cash in on? And of course, how are you liking it? Was it for you? Was it a gift? Whatever you want to talk about. We'll get started here with KCT-XS. This is kind of something KC Tool put together. That's why it's a KC Tool part number and not a part number from Knipex, because it would be 2 part numbers from Knipex. But again, this is KCT-XS. If you're in the market for both of these, this would probably be the way to go. You'd save a little bit of money. It's going to feature 2 items, the 8700-100 and then the 8604-100. So, what are they? Why am I not opening this immediately? Well, I'm going to save time, and I'm going to showcase these. These are obviously not pristine, but really good shape compared to what rides around in my pocket. I've shown you that one. And I'm actually in clean jeans right now, so it is in my work jeans. But these are the Cobra and Pliers wrench XS iterations. These are tiny. They're very small. They lack the comfort grip. They lack the dipped handles. They lack any handle sort of all. They are just bare metal. That's designed, again, easy in, easy out of your pockets. I don't usually carry the Pliers wrench. I always have the Cobra with me. The Pliers wrench is probably going to start joining it in my pocket or on my body. More on that in a later video. But the part number here, 86-100, and then for the Cobra, you're looking at 87-100. So again, 86-100, 87-100. These two pair fantastically well. If I'm thinking correctly, you can basically go up to 3/4 of an inch, maybe a little bit more with them. Again, I use the Cobras for all kinds of stuff, from pulling staples to grease tubes to anything round. The Pliers wrench obviously would be a better choice for fasteners. But you would be amazed at how well these two things will serve you in a pinch. And it's usually a deal. It's not when you're like by your box or you're at your card. It's kind of like you're helping someone in the parking lot. You're miles away, and it's a situation where someone's like, I wish I could get this out. I mean, I can't tell you how many times I blow people's mind with this little pair of Cobra XSs. So that's what is in that package right there. Again, a phenomenal price point that we acquired that for Dark Gray Friday number 3. This was something that I definitely didn't need, but again, could not pass it up. It is also a Knipex item, and it is going to be part number 8202-200. Some of you already know what it is. It's right here in hand. 35, 60-ish. You might be able to find it slightly less if you wait around tool of the day, something along those lines. But what is it, you ask? Well, we're going to default over here to, again, a really clean pair of the twin grips. My twin grips at work are actually not 2-component. They're just kind of regular, and I use them a ton. Most recently, I've started using them to pull wood, nails out of pallets. It sounds dumb. Obviously, I've got to tap it forward. I usually use my mine's going blank here, pincers, and kind of get the leverage. But there's a lot of times, like especially in bad wood, I can just come in, and this top groove here will actually nest perfectly around the nail head, and usually with a few shimmies, and it's also the shimmy, sometimes side to side, that helps. I can extract it. Why do I do that? I'm not a carpenter. I don't have a ton of nails. If it's straight, I can salvage it. I can put pallets back together. I'm a simple man in terms of woodworking, especially at work, and these just work phenomenally well. There's currently a direct knockoff from Icon. I was kind of disappointed to see that, but $19.99 versus this, I'm gonna go this route. I was actually gonna make a video on those, didn't get a chance to. Maybe whenever I get some opportunity, but these are phenomenal, and that is what is in that box right there. Final item, that's right, Dark Gray Friday just had 3 items, is actually from a company that we've recently showcased. I had their original purchase, and then for my mom's birthday, I actually brought in a couple more of their items, and we're going to run with it. This is going to be from Berger. That's right, Berger. Think of bear paint plus Berger, and combine the two, and I think we've got the pronunciation into it. At least that's what Colin confirmed to me when I asked once more. But this item right here, you probably, if you're thinking back to Dark Gray Friday and you bought this, you know exactly what it is. Otherwise, maybe you remember it. I think this was the only time they were featured. This thing would be $41.95. It is their part number BG54650. I cannot lie, I'm excited about this. Obviously, the XS line from Knipex, the twin grip, I've covered ad nauseum. I love them. There's not much more I can say at this point in time. This is something I've never experienced. And I think a lot of you are going to like it too. There's a surprising crossover here between tool people and people that also like enjoy plants, whether that's, you know, like a home garden, whether it's, you know, literally, you know, like you're into flowers. It is far more than you would think. That's sort of one of the things, you know, I kind of picked up on that with cars too. There's a few people that were like hardcore. I'm talking like they attend shows for certain flowers and stuff. Same thing with produce, but there's a surprising number, just sort of like hobbyist level type people that really enjoy the two. They seem to, like I say, cross over fairly well. But this, I was very excited about. This is, if you haven't figured it out yet, a pruning saw. It's 7-inch and it folds up, so it's going to be nice for storage. You don't have to like hang it off the wall. Oh, that's sad. I literally just saw the made in Korea. Yikes. Was unaware of that. I was assuming this was made in Germany. And not to say, can Korea make a good pruning saw? I have no idea. I've never had one from there. I was thinking I'd be getting away from like the cheap stuff with this one. Again, blatantly obvious there on the packaging. That's kind of on me. I just didn't thoroughly investigate this. I was like, oh, that would be nice to have. And I do have to say, like, this is incredibly lightweight. It feels good here in hand. We're going to check it out. I wanted to showcase this, and I can't. I guess this was like, I don't know, August isn't the 9th month of the year. But if anyone cares to translate that, by all means, feel free. I'm not going to get you much better of a look at it. In part, again, battery light is flashing, but here we are. I'm wondering, I assume I just articulate it with this, or is that a lock? Yeah, so it is a lock. Okay, so it looks pretty aggressive. Again, there's actually a lot of good stuff that comes out of Korea. You'd be surprised how much heavy equipment they manufacture over there. But here we are. Again, it looks like, again, I cannot translate that. It's a shame that they didn't put en anglais in there for some of us. Maybe they will if these take off. It's not on the back side either. But you're going to want to cut like this. Not this way, but this way. And what did I get this for? Literally pruning. Yeah, there's no nefarious. I'm not going to be like, whoa, you know, I'll be able to cut those foam dash pads with this. Maybe you can, but I literally, nothing nefarious on my end. I do plan to use this for pruning. Yeah, I gotta tell you, like, this is really comfortable. I don't know what else to say past that. It's incredibly lightweight and comfortable. Now, the key thing is, can it cut? How long will it cut? How long will it stay sharp? Those are things I don't know. Also, I have noticed that Berger is pretty good about seeming to have replacement parts. So let's say that we do dole this out instead of having to shell out full price. I wonder if I can just acquire this blade for hopefully a considerably lesser amount. The whole shebang. I guess if the handle wears, you could go that route. But it's stylistically, it's pretty impressive. Again, you know, I'm not a huge fan of red and black, but it looks great. And again, this is, I have to say, rock solid, which is, again, what you would want here to release. We simply do this, and boom. That is Dark Gray Friday number 3. For those of you that never dreamed I'd be able to get through a KC tool haul with basically 3 items in 10 minutes, boom, there you go. Now, that's largely in part because we're intricately familiar with the twin grip, with the XS items, and this is just kind of an offshoot crazy thing. But I am actually extremely excited to use this. Now, ordinarily, I'd say, ooh, twin grips would be the most appealing to me. I know them, I love them, I have the experience. This will be new, and I can't wait to try it out. Particularly, I was thinking like the Hollies. Back in the day, before people's loose dogs kind of killed my magnolias, that would have been nice. But yeah, there's a whole litany of things I have in mind to try this out on, so we shall see how it goes. But sometimes, yes, it's nice to clip. Sometimes you need to saw, and we'll see how it does. So if you've used this, or you use something similar, or maybe you're a landscaper, maybe that's like a side gig for you. You got your day job, and then you're like, man, I make really good money mowing like 4 yards a week. This is crazy. Maybe you also get rooked into doing some landscape work, some pruning, some flower beds. Maybe it's just a hobby for you. What are you using similar to this? If you, by all means, like if you bought this and you have used it, I'm not sure that anyone would have gotten to here in North America. I guess it depends where you're at. Maybe if you're in Florida or something, Gulf states. But for everyone else, it's still winter. So if you've used it, though, let me know. And some of you might have been familiar with it prior. I'm just real curious about it. Again, I had no idea it was made in Korea. That was kind of a buzzkill, but it does have a hanging hole. So if you got a pegboard set up or something, it's going to be great, easily accessible. Same thing if you got it in a truck or a van. Just hanging in the garage, you know, with the rest of your gardening equipment. I am excited to use it, and again, hopefully, you know, like this can be replaced cheaply. If it doesn't last a long time, I hope it lasts longer and I don't have to worry about replacing it. But that is that, short and sweet. We might have to make this a midweek release. That'll throw some people off. But this whole cornucopia of wondrous things from November is in fact Dark Gray Friday 1 through 3. There wasn't a 4 for those of you that were curious. Pliers, wrench, and Cobra XS, cannot go wrong there. Twin grip, I might actually give that to my nephew. I should say this to my nephew. Maybe his birthday or something. It was just too good of a deal to pass up, so I didn't. And I also did think of taking it to work because, again, I much prefer their 2-component over the dipped and textured version that I've got at work. It would probably be smart to have 2 of them there. We'll figure something out. We'll cross that bridge when we get to it. But my feet are like ice. I'm going to go inside, make pizza. The Mavericks and Bucks, I think Lakers and Knicks. If there's a lot of Mavericks out again, might check that out. Main thing, though, these were phenomenal buys. Everything you see here, we got at stupid good prices. I was thrilled about it all. Again, whatever you picked up, good, bad, indifferent, better than what you had, not as good as what you thought it would be, feel free to share your thoughts and opinions. Again, the end goal is simply to help people out. Speaking of helping out, I've got timestamps and links down below, again, for your convenience. Last but not least, if you like the video, if you like multiple things I do here, I encourage you to like the video, subscribe to the channel. If you subscribe and ring the bell, jump your Charger across the creek on the way across town to use your Berger pruning saw to do some awesome landscaping. YouTube just might notify you. We got new videos every Wednesday and Saturday, 9 a.m. Texas time. With that said, thanks so much for watching. LoneStarMopars.com is the website. Facebook, X, Twitter, Instagram, whatever. All 3 at Lone Star Mopars. And again, this battery light is like flashed for, it must have been 30 plus minutes now. So maybe we rushed for no reason. Maybe it'll cut me off now. But with that said, thanks for watching. I hope you have a fantastic week. Most importantly, I hope I catch you back here for more action from the shop.